The human brain is the most fascinating, complex structure in the known universe. It's responsible for our thoughts, emotions, memories, and actions. Yet many misconceptions about the brain persist, influencing how we perceive our abilities. These myths, rooted in outdated science or popular culture, can limit our understanding. Debunking brain myths impacts our approach to learning, creativity, and problem-solving. By separating fact from fiction, we gain an empowering view of the brain. Understanding the brain allows us to unlock its full potential and appreciate its wonders. One of the most pervasive brain myths is the idea that we are either left-brained or right-brained, with the left hemisphere responsible for logic and analytical thinking, while the right hemisphere governs creativity and intuition. In reality, the brain operates as a highly integrated network, with both hemispheres constantly communicating and collaborating. Studies using brain imaging techniques like fMRI have shown that even simple tasks activate multiple brain regions across both hemispheres. The left brain versus right brain myth ignores this remarkable plasticity and the dynamic interplay between different brain regions. Another persistent brain myth suggests we only use 10% of our brain power. This myth, often perpetuated by movies and literature, is entirely false. In reality, we use our entire brain, though not all regions are active simultaneously. Brain imaging studies show that even simple tasks activate almost all parts of the brain. The brain, while only 2% of our body weight, consumes 20% of our daily energy. To truly appreciate the brain's capabilities, it's essential to understand its sheer complexity. The human brain is a marvel of biological engineering, consisting of an estimated 86 billion neurons, the specialized cells that transmit information throughout the nervous system. Each neuron can form thousands of connections, called synapses, with other neurons, creating a vast and intricate network of communication. The number of synapses in the human brain is astronomical, estimated to be in the quadrillions. This intricate web of connections allows for an extraordinary level of processing power and flexibility. Information flows through the brain in the form of electrical and chemical signals, traveling along neuronal pathways and across synapses. This intricate communication network is constantly changing and adapting based on our experiences and learning. Every new piece of information we encounter, every skill we learn, every memory we form, strengthens existing connections or creates new ones, physically rewiring our brains. This remarkable plasticity is what allows us to learn, grow, and adapt throughout our lives. The human brain, as we know it today, is the product of millions of years of evolution. Our ancestors' brains gradually increased in size and complexity, driven by environmental pressures and the need for survival. This evolutionary journey has shaped our cognitive abilities, from basic sensory processing to higher-level functions like language, abstract thought, and social intelligence. One of the most significant developments in human brain evolution was the expansion of the cerebral cortex, the outermost layer of the brain responsible for higher-level cognitive functions. This expansion allowed for increased processing power and the development of more complex behaviors. Another crucial milestone was the development of language, a uniquely human trait that revolutionized communication and social interaction. The evolution of language coincided with the development of specific brain regions, such as Broca's area and Wernicke's area, which are involved in language production and comprehension, respectively. Debunking brain myths is not just about correcting misinformation, it's about embracing the true wonder and potential of this extraordinary organ. By understanding how the brain actually works, we can unlock our cognitive abilities, enhance our learning capacity, and foster creativity. We can move beyond limiting beliefs and embrace the fact that our brains are constantly evolving and adapting. While we've debunked some prevalent myths, this is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to understanding the complexities of the brain. Continuous research and exploration are constantly revealing new insights into how this remarkable organ functions. To learn more about the brain and its capabilities, I encourage you to explore reputable sources of information, such as scientific journals, educational websites, and books by leading neuroscientists. Embrace the journey of discovery, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of your own mind.